Hello, today I have got this new Logitech Pebble 2 combo. So it is a mouse and the keyboard combo. I have just cut it with a knife already. Let's see what all things comes inside the box. All right, we have got this box. It's empty. We have got the mouse with a nice cover. I think it's recycled cloth or something. We got this nice mouse. They are saying that it can be connected to three different devices, one at a time, of course. And oh, we have got Duracell battery as well. This looks good. What's next? Let's talk about the keyboard. Wow, this is good. This is nearly as big as my Magic keyboard, but I believe twice the width of that. I mean the thickness. But rest is good. It looks good, very good. Looks very sturdy. They are claiming that they have made this device with recycled plastic. And here are different buttons to connect three different devices one at a time. Rest looks good. This matches my Mac's color, and look and feel is really good and quite heavy as well. That was all about the unboxing of my new keyboard and mouse from Logitech. Thank you. See you next time.